green chili, yogurt, onion, coriander seed, white cumin, 1 spoon. Add yogurt, add chili, onion, grind it. Chicken 1.5 kilogram, garlic ginger paste, and food color, tikka masala. Mix it. Add lemon juice. Mix it. Add oil in iron pan. In an iron pot to color the chicken at high flame. Add paste, salt, white curry masala. Cook for 5 minutes. Add chicken. Cook for 15 minutes. Add 2 cup water. Add cream. Chili, add ginger, add garam masala, cook for 7 minutes. Give cold smoke.